Good morning, David.
Morning, Judge.
You can start now.
All right, thank you, sir. First of all, I just want to tell you guys, I appreciate the time you guys spent last week going over all the individual road bond items in this bond package. I know you spent a lot of time doing it, and I appreciate you doing that for the clarity of the citizens. Judge, what I'd like to do this morning is to highlight your highlights from your 2017 budget. One of the things that I remember last week from your bond advisor saying was that you're going to be able to issue $250 million worth of bonds with no tax rate increase. Now, I'm looking at your highlights, Judge, and you have actually reduced the tax rate by a very minor amount, but a little bit from 2014 to 2017. However, when you look at the property tax, the county property tax on the average home in Hays County, it's actually gone up 28%. That's gone up because of the appraisals.
Correct.
Now, a lot of people are coming to me saying, you know, it looks to me like anytime there's a big increase in the appraisal, that court seems to be able to find a home to spend that money. Let that sink in a little bit. What I'm concerned about is as we move forward, and if this bond measure passes to the extent that you say it, well, to the extent that it's going to be proposed, our debt service is going to continue to climb. And I'm just concerned there's not going to be areas that you're going to be willing to cut back on. Now, where did this 28% money be spent? Well, one of the things that kind of jumps out are some salary increases. And, you know, just one out of the bunch, our tax collector's salary has gone up 33% in the last 3 years. I just want to leave that with you as food for thought this morning, that as you go forward, don't be blaming our increased taxes off on the appraisal district. I don't write a check to them. I write to this tax assessor. And that money's divvied out to the various entities, including yourselves. So, anyway, I appreciate you leaving the tax rate at least flat. At least that way we've only been limited to a 28% increase. But I sure don't want to have another one at 28% over the next few years. Thank you.
Thank you. Well, those are the issues we'll be discussing with Crowell this afternoon in our budget workshop.